Good morning, student. Just we have seen theta replication of DNA or theta model of replication of DNA and E. coli. Now we see rolling circle model of DNA. Okay, this is another model for replication as rolling circle model. It is used by several bacteriophages. Then this rolling circle replication begins with a nick, that is single stranded break at origin of replication. Okay, and this applies to replication of several viral DNAs such as that theta by 174 and alpha phage, and to the replication of E. coli F factor during conjugation and transfer of donor DNA to a recipient. Okay, then since the parental DNA circle can continue to roll, it is possible to generate a linear double-stranded DNA molecule that is longer than circumference of the original circle, as in the later stages of alpha phase DNA replication. Okay, this rolling circle replication begins with the nick, that is single stranded break at the origin of replication. The 5 end is displaced from the strand, and 3 end act as a primer for DNA polymerase third, which synthesize a continuous strand using the intact DNA molecule as a template. Then the 5 end continues to displace as the circle rolls and protected by single stranded or that single stranded or single stranded stabilizing protein, or this single strand DNA binding protein. Okay, then this this discontinued DNA synthesis makes its DNA again. Okay, then here we can see this diagram of DNA rolling circle model of DNA. Okay, here we'll see this nick is made in the strand of the parental complex. Okay, here single stranded break takes place on this particular origin, and then the 5 end is displaced and covered by uh, single stranded DNA stabilizing protein. Then uh, this polymerization at the 3 end, that is and this add new deoxyribonucleotides. Okay, and here separation of this strand. Okay, that is their SSB protein is present. Okay, that 5 end gets separate from or displace of 5 end from this particular DNA molecule, and the attachment of this particular replisomes and formation of Okazaki fragments takes place. Okay, here formation of Okazaki fragments, here attachment of RNA primers and old Okazaki fragments and newly initiated Okazaki fragments get developed on this particular strand. Okay, and this particular replication, this is bidirectional replication. Okay, then a DNA molecule may genome or DNA molecule many genomes in length can be made by rolling circle replication. During viral assembly, it is cut into individual viral chromosomes and packaged into phage head. Okay, the bacteriophage alpha, and that's regardless of whether entering the lytic or lysogenic pathway, and circularizes its chromosome immediately after infection. Okay, this rolling circle DNA replication is also used in transfer of DNA from donor to recipient cell during conjugation of E. coli cells, that is Escherichia coli cell. Okay, then this during this type of replication, one of the two strands of DNA is linked by dissolving phosphate bonds between adjacent nucleotide. Here we can see this dissolving of phosphate bond of adjacent nucleotide the 5' of the cut strand is then displaced from the circular DNA molecule. This leaves a single stranded stretch of DNA strand that serve as a template for addition of new nucleotide to the free 3' by DNA polymerase third using intact DNA as a leading strand template. The 5' of the DNA or 5' of the DNA or 5' of the cut DNA strand is rolled out as a free term of increasing length. It is covered by SSB protein. The new DNA synthesis on the displaced DNA occurs in 5 and to 3' direction. This means that the new synthesis occur from the circular or this from the circle outward the end of the displaced DNA. With the further displacement, the new DNA synthesis again begins at the circle and move out along the displaced DNA strand. Thus, displaced strand is the lagging strand template as synthesis on this strand occurs discontinuously. The Okazaki fragments that thus form are joined by enzyme ligase, and the tail is cut by specific endonuclease into a unit length progeny rod which when undergoes circularization to form a new circular molecule. During the process, the gap is called as gap is closed by ligase. Okay, during circulation there formation of gap, and in this process or during this time this gap is closed by enzyme ligase. This rolling circle DNA replication is also used in transfer of DNA from donor to recipient cells during conjugation of E. coli cell. Okay, in this way we have seen this rolling circle model of DNA replication. Okay, remaining point, that is the mechanism of DNA replication and eukaryotes, will see in next lecture. Thank you.